is Susan Young, and I'm Vice President of the SDO Homeowners Association, which is the housing where this project is going to take place. And kind of as a hitchhike to your question, thank you, Andrea. You're going to hear a lot of comments about the trees, and unlike you, sir, I'm not an arborist. I've got my own opinions, so I'll let other people smarter than me address those. But I do want to go into a little bit more detail about the process you went through. I am looking at a February 5th, 2009 RFP that the county left that calls for removal of 500 to 1,000 trees, which would decimate the trees in the creekside. Again, I'm asking as a citizen of Alameda County, a taxpayer, how you could let an RFP out like that and not have the courtesy to talk to anyone in Leandro. I talked to Councilman Bill Stevens, who represents me. He had never heard of this at all. So this is supposed to be the era of transparency in government. This is supposed to be a resolution of trust between government and citizens, and I have no trust. And then finally, my other question is, who defines a tree as hazardous? I mean, a cop doesn't come by and say, you're a hazardous tree. I would like to know specific details because there is no trust there.
So there are a couple of questions. Thank you, ma'am. The first is, well, the second was, what is hazardous? And the first one was, how could you put out an RFP for a really substantial project without consulting?
I put together the RFP. It was an RFQ RFP in 1999. This was in response to our having sat on all this information of there being over 400 hazardous trees out there. The RFP was designed to hire the highest qualified team to address and look at the problem. And although it said that there may be eventual removal, the RFP also stipulates that we would have a public outreach component and a planning component, and leading up to the development of a possible phased approach of dealing with the problem. So prior to that going out, there was no public notice. That's what happened during Seapoint. Does that answer your question? I guess you're wondering how did I have the nerve to...
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
But the RFQ I'm looking at,